These days, LED lights can be seen just about anywhere. They come in various capacities from 1 watt to 1000 watts. But have you ever wondered how LED lights are made? Today we will unbox the Veltrox LED light making factory located in Gujarat, India. Here, more than 500 LED lights are manufactured every day. First of all, the casing of the LED light is made. For this, aluminium is cut according to size in an extrusion cutting machine. After this, drills bore holes in the aluminium frame and threads are added with a tapping machine. The main advantage of using aluminium is that it has more heat dissipation, which increases the lifetime of the light. After that, the aluminium is washed in a hot cleaner, which removes dust, oil and impurities from it. When the cleaning process is complete, the aluminium is prepared for powder coating. Protective powder is sprayed in the specialised powder coating booth. It is then sent to the heating machine. This machine heats the aluminium to 200 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. The aluminium is then left to cool. In another part of the factory, an automatic pick and place machine inserts components onto the PCB. Then the PCBs are stacked and sent for the next process. Each PCB passes through a reflow oven. Any excess wire is trimmed to the correct length for connections and the corners are stripped. This process takes place in an automatic wire stripping machine where cutting and stripping happens simultaneously and rapidly. Now let's see the driver assembly. You may not know what a driver does within an LED light. The driver regulates the power supplied to the LED in the PCB and prevents it from damage. In the driver assembly, first the PCB is loaded into the pick and place machine. This machine inserts components into the PCB very quickly and is quite interesting to watch. The PCB is then passed through a reflow oven where the SMD components are soldered. The PCB is stacked after it comes out of the reflow oven. After this, components are manually installed and soldered in the driver. And later, the PCB is tested and the remaining places are soldered. Veltrox LED manufactures outdoor LED luminaries, street lights, floodlights, stadium lights, searchlights, solar lights, marine lights and many more. One of the marine search LED lights made by Veltrox has a range of 1,000 meters. That's a full kilometer. This is the silicon potting in the floodlight. This surprising element is a vital component of the final product because the silicon protects the circuit from corrosion, moisture and impact. Silicon helps the circuit operate from -30 degrees Celsius up to 60 degrees. There are 30, 50, 100 and 120 watt LED lights made by Veltrox. After assembly, a compound is applied to the PCB which gives better heat dissipation. Then the PCB is attached to the base by screws. Now, most importantly, the plastic lens is placed over the LED. This polycarbonate lens has been developed in-house by Veltrox and it is 95% more efficient and is also dust-proof and waterproof. You will be amazed to know that with the help of Veltrox's unique lens, a 36 watt LED gives equal illumination to the standard company's 50 watt LED light. Before the installation of the lens, the company name, model and other technical details are printed on it by laser. After assembly, the aging test of the light is performed. This allows the company to know the operational life of the light. the light does not flicker because of the circuit protection. This test measures the performance of a PCB component at extreme temperatures for a specified period of time. Here, LED bulbs and LED lights are being tested with a DC power supply. Also, LED lights are waterproof, which makes it long-lasting. LED lights are packed after testing, and a sticker is printed and applied to the box. After that, the LED boxes are packed in the master box. Then the master box is strapped to the automatic strap machine. After the strapping, the master box is sent to the distributor, so you can buy the Veltrox LED lights from your nearest shop. Finally, the Veltrox LED light is ready to light up your home. Veltrox has created a unique zoomer design in decorative range. The Veltrox sports lights range from 50 to 1000 watts and are mostly used in stadiums. Along with this, Veltrox Group has made DC lights which do not require electricity from the power grid. This system has a solar panel, controller, battery and DC LED light. For further information to find your nearest dealership of Veltrox LED lights, contact the number given below. I hope you enjoyed our tour of the LED light making factory. Subscribe to us for more factory unboxing videos. Like the video and share with your friends. Stay connected, be updated.